Hello, fellow traders. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my friends. What's up? What's going on? I hope everyone is going very well and during these years. And welcome on this new trading video from Doit Forex. This is Doze speaking. So on today's sessions, I want what I am about to share you today is a quick short video, guys, of how to get profit fast in the Fibonacci retracement breakout strategy. And strategy is completely profitable. Is for a scalping in 1 hour for intraday and scalping in 15 minutes or 13 minutes and below. For the profitable, for 1 hours you just take for 40 to 60 pips, and 15 minutes you just take for 10 to 20 pips. Okay guys, we start about this Fibonacci retracement. First of all, we have to set up our Fibonacci retracement. So I already set up for my custom Fibonacci retracement. So yeah guys, I will share with you the Fibonacci retracement. So this is the Fibonacci. You just drag here. As you see guys, this is the Fibonacci retracement. Let me, okay, I will change the color to maybe is on the blue color. Yeah, right. Okay, here you go. This is the our my Fibonacci. The setting I will share with you in my blog and in my PDF book. But if you guys want to do this to copy, yeah, here you go guys. This is 0.0 1 1.97. I hope you guys you can print and you copy it or you print screen about this Fibonacci. Okay, let's go guys. I don't want to make it this video very bored because strategy is powerful and profitable. And yeah guys, I will start how to teach you about this strategy, Fibonacci breakout retracement. Okay guys, we open new currency. Okay, we go to USD. I pick up my candle. Okay, first of all, the setting you have to go in 1 hours for to do analysis. This is 1 hour guys. So the second, you have to enable the daily line. As you see this, you press Ctrl Y and to enable it and disable it you press Ctrl plus Y. Or you cannot, you go to the properties, I mean right click properties, and you go to command section and you see this, you untick show parrot. If like this you don't show, then right click of your mouse, properties, you choose the community common, sorry, and you enable and tick of the show parrot perter and press OK. So this is the chart that showing the daily. So how we trade? So it's very simple, and let me show you guys. First of all, we count the candle from the vertical line of the opening daily candles. Okay guys, and we draw the Fibonacci. So we count to the right from the left to the right 7 candles or 6 candles after the opening daily candles. Okay, let's we calculate here. This is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, is 4, it is 5, it is 6. So this is the 6th candle. So we just put it line here. This is the 6th candle. So we calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we if we count from the opening daily, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the 7 candles that we count. The second step, we have to find the highest and the lowest of candle from the candles from the opening to the uh, closing 7 candles. So this is the highest, guys. Sorry, let me adjust first. Delete, go here. This is the highest. This is the highest. I just let it this, put it like this color so you can. This is the highest, guys, of the candle. And we found here the 7. This is almost, so this is the lowest. So after that, what we do, we drag our Fibonacci high to the low, as you see, guys, to the low. Here, guys, this is the highest, this is the lowest. And this is strategy is very simple, guys. You will get profitable very. So this is the low, here the low. Okay, guys, so as you see, guys, if the candles, if these candles go below, we go for short. Yes, meaning is sell, bearish. So if the candle he close here, guys, this is candle, if he close here and he break out of this line, then he reject, so we enter sell, or we just replace for sell stop, and yeah, we take for 20 pips, 13 pips in 15 minutes, or in the 1 hours we take for 60 to 40 to 60 pips. For the entry we go to 15 minutes, and you see, guys, is not closing below this candle. If we this, we just take and short of the on short trade, and we go out and we win. So let me find some more example, maybe candles, I don't know, USD. Okay, let we see GBP USD. Okay, let's see with GBP USD. We choose the any currency. We go to 1 hours. We enable the daily line, and we found we count from the left to the right. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the 6th candle. So we identify the highest. I think this is the highest here. And this with the lowers of this. This is the lowers. This is the lowers of the candle. So we just take our Fibonacci custom, and we put it the high to the low. As you see guys, the market is still running. If this candle is go to the high, bullish, we buy. If the candle go down in the bearish, we sell. But as you see guys, is here already people get profit. So see, already you do sell stop, then the market hit to TP and finish, then we out. Even if we found to the previous market, as you see guys here, you can see here this, we count here 1 2 3 4 5 6. We've identified this is the high of the market, and this is the lowers of the market. So we drag our Fibonacci from the higher candles of the 6 to the lowers. Because this is guys is a scalping strategy, so we just take an out. But if you want hold, you have to make sure you put your break evens, so you get the profit. So how's the entry? We go to the 15-minute guys. Oh sorry, where did it go? I think this is not. I will delete this guys, delete this first. Here you go guys, see guys, the market is going short, going bearish. See here, we enter when the market is close in the low of the Fibonacci, and we just place sell and we get profit guys. So if you hold guys, he go down. It's the same things here in the previous. As you see, everything is easy. Mostly this is for the TP. I use it for the people who want to take the TP. But mostly what I do is just very simple. I just go to 1 hour, so and I count 6 candles or 7 from the opening day trading. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I've identified the highers and the lowers. Then yeah, if the market is cross below of the line, so we take sell, and if he go for the high, he cross the higher line, we go for the buy. So to more make it easy, we just draw Fibonacci and from high to the low, and you will find guys the result. That's it guys. I hope this video enjoyable and profitable, because you should guys, this is one of my best strategy that I use of breakout of Fibonacci, and very profitable. And if you practice it always on your demo first before you go to the you will, yeah guys, you will win this trade. But yeah, let me find another one, last candles maybe. Mostly I use it in the uh, Europe or ASEAN. You can use it in ASEAN on Europe currency. Let us see if this setup we found any setup is here. I hope this okay. No. Is the market still? Let's see. What about we go for gold? Yeah, for gold. Yeah. Okay. No, it's still sleeping the market. I need market is running fast. Okay, here maybe so. Okay, let's see guys. This is GBP GPY. So in GBP GPY is still the market not less. Maybe we go, yeah, it's okay, we go for chief. Hey guys, okay, first of all, we go 1 hours, we enable the spirit line, then we count the candle from the left to the right, count 7 candles or 6 after the opening candles is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we identify the lowers. This is the lowers, guys, and this is the highers of the candle. You can choose this one. This is the highers. Then we just take our Fibonacci custom candles and we retrace like this. So I have to wait, guys, if this candle is close on lowers of the sell stop here, so I will place my entry of sell. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Firdaus Doze speaking here. Sign out. Goodbye. Thank you, guys.